after success. They can to become successful because they know how to move. But the failure people, the people who can now successful, they're wasting their time. When the family or much rich, they use the money abuse. Like they just want to go to party, they just want to invite their friends to go where they want to go, some party, to Borgo, a lot of different places they have. But I think be careful. Be careful. This opportunity will never get back to you. Wasting time, wasting time is a huge mistake. It is not a teeny mistake. Thank you, brother.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're welcome. Exactly.
yeah. Okay, let's talk about let's choose a topic. I mean, we have to choose a topic and make a better discussion because we have too many time.
Yeah, sure, for sure. If you have, you can share with me. We will discuss.
Okay, I think we should talk about education. What do you think about this topic?
Yeah, that's also great. That's also great. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you.
Okay. Eh, If we are talking about education, it's like we have to know like without education, no one improve their life, no one improve their country. They are not able to connect the world. Like if you want to see the whole world, you have to do ed, you have to do learn something, which is we call education. So without education, nation will be no nation can improve their countries, whether it is economical sectors, whether it is educational sector and political, lots of sector. So without education, people, I think people are blind, because at least you think like if we don't know how to speak English, so how it is possible I am talking to you and you are also talking to me, we can discuss each other. So it is also under the education. So if we are doing if we are not able to doing that, so it's mean we are not educated person. So education, I think, means learning something, achieving something. Lots of information you are achieved day by day. You are connected with lots of people worldwidely. So from every people you are learning everything day by day, moment by moment, new information, new cultures, what's the going on in the world. So it is possible for only education. So and also if we are observe the world, who is the most smart people in the world. So suppose we can see the America, Europe, or uh, like most technical countries. So it's like how they are smart, more smart from others country than others country, I think, because of their education. They research a lot of things. They are making a weapon. They are inventing day by day new technology. Suppose AI, robot, and lots of technician, laptop, and also you see nowadays which machine, iPhone machine, they are like it's like a sunglass, but they are no need to, there is like mobile button. They can they can press in they can press the environment. They can press like this in the environment they can press. So um, it is also cause of technology, cause of education. And also if some countries they have lack of education, they cannot be upward, something like that. So yeah, education is the backbone of a nation. So yeah, and also yeah, some people are not able to continue their study because of economical support, and also lack of motivation, and also family support. Yeah, they have lots of lack with their background. That's why so many students are not able to doing their continue their job, and also exam fees, or like lot of minimum, at least some money they needs for continue their study, doing their study. But some people are not able to do that. Suppose we can see the poor country in the village area. In Bangladesh also, a lot of people, lot of family, they are not afforded they are not afforded eating three time regularly. So they are whole day looking after for three time food. So how it is possible for their education? What they have no time for thinking about education, because at first they have to eat some food at least three times. And not only Bangladesh, but also we see Pakistan, Afghanistan, and also like Syria. And we must have to say uh, Palestine. So we see sometimes in the news. So they are fighting themselves. They how to survive in the environment. They are fighting against the environment. How can we survive? How can we get three time food? After that we will learn something. We will be educated. So yeah, it's the happening, and maybe the topic is something I'm going like another things. So it was from my side. My concern I just share with you. So you can. You are muted. You are muted. Please unmute.
Okay, amazing, brother. I just want to clap for you. Amazing. You know, I even have no words to say and to talk about you. When you talk to me, when you testimony the words which come from your mouth, I absolutely understand you. You could give me better details. You could give me better information, which was regular, which was better details. Okay. And now it is my turn. Thank you once again for giving me better information. It's my turn. First of all, in the name of Almighty God,
Prince
I want to
Kamrul,
talk about.
mute your microphone, please. Prince Kamrul.
Yeah, yeah, I can use it. Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Oh yeah, you can mute and we will come to you. We are discuss something in the middle of we are having something. You can mute your
Sir,
microphone,
I'm
please.
sorry to, sir, I am really sorry to say that I am in dark place, sir. That is why I have muted it.
Okay, okay. I'm saying you can mute your microphone and listen what Jawad Panahi says. We are in the middle of something. We are discussion about education. So I have done.
Okay.
Now he will talk, and after we will come to you. You can also share with us about
Yes,
your
sir.
opinion.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right.
Okay, okay. Mute your microphone, please.
Okay, let's talk about Mr. Prince. Please mute your mic.
Prince Khan Joy. Can you mute your microphone so that from your background not coming voice?
Please, can you mute it, Mr. Prince?
I did mute. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, in the name of kind God, today I'm going to give you very better details about education. First of all, education